I am at Skanderberg Square, and on my back is the Skanderberg, national hero of Albania and also called Dragon of Albania. This is the statue of equestrian Skanderberg. Skanderberg is a national hero or Dragon of Albanian. He is the one who resisted the Ottoman invasion to Albania for 25 years. Behind this statue is Ethem Bey Mosque, one of the oldest mosques in Tirana, Albania, and it has been built in 17th century. And communist time, no one allowed to go inside and pray. In 19th century, it's reopened. This is the oldest mosque in Tirana, built in Ottoman Empire. On my back, you can see some historical places also, and end of this square is a history museum right over there. Tourists and local, they come here and have some fun and visit some museum and landmarks, take pictures, enjoy their time here. This is one of the biggest church in Tirana. There is another beautiful view behind Ethem Mosque. You can see on my right hand side in the middle screen is the Ethem Mosque and facade building over there. We are getting close to the clock tower. This clock tower built in 1822. So it's quite old clock tower, and it's tallest building in the Tirana on that time. And you can see the clock is still working and it shows the right correct time. At the moment, entrance of this clock tower is closed. Otherwise, I might go inside and step up to the clock tower and look around. It has 99 steps. There is narrow spiral staircase to the top where you can enjoy panoramic view over Skanderberg Square and Tirana city. This is the Bank Art 2. The Bank Art 2, there are two museums. They built inside the bank or bunkers. Today, these underground spaces have been transformed into the museum. This is the Friendship Monument. This Friendship Monument actually from the Kuwait and Albania's friendship to remember their friendship. This small bridge is called Tanner's Bridge. Tanner's Bridge is a parallel situated with this main road. Where this bridge been built, there was no road and nothing was here. So this bridge was used to be cross the river. This bridge built in Ottoman Empire when they have a rule in Albania, Tirana. So they made this bridge with some stone and rocks. And it's not far from Namazgah Mosque. If you see behind those trees, you can see some minaret of the Namazgah Mosque. And you can just walk to this bridge and see this architecture or design is made in Ottoman Empire. You can see this is all this stone. You can see, and it can be a very slippery one if it rain or water on this bridge. Now I'm on the top of the bridge, so you can see the surrounding area. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. It looks so beautiful in Skanderberg Square in the night time.